My dear students, welcome to the world of chemistry. Chapter 6 Thermodynamics. This is the equal lesson number 3. Today, I focus upon important thermodynamic functions and processes. Let us start with a statement given. Assess this statement. In order to note that the temperature of water, we do not deal with the individual molecules, but we consider the molecules in a bulk. Can you know the term bulk? It is a large properties of matter. So, what are these properties? Can you given the name of these properties? Macroscopic properties. Can you give the example of macroscopic properties? Macroscopic properties are pressure, temperature, volume, etc. It deals with the large number of species or the bulk of the matter. Then, can you define the state of the system? It refers to the condition of existence of a system when macroscopic properties have definite values. Then, what is initial state? It refers to a starting state of the system in equilibrium. Can you define the final state of the system? It refers to the end state of the system in equilibrium. Then, what do you understand by the term state function? Can you define the state function? It is a property of system whose values depend only on the initial and final state of the system. Can you give the example for state function? Example are pressure, temperature, volume, etc. It depends on the state of the system and not how it is reached. Then, can you define path function? It is a property of system whose values depend on the path followed. Can you give an example of path function? Heat and work. Give the symbol of heat. Heat is Q, small letter Q. What is the symbol of work? W. Let us see this graph. Identify the graph AB, AC, AD and AE. The graphical representation of various chemical processes with respect to pressure, volume, the behavior of given amount of ideal gas. Can you given the name of graph AC? It is an isobaric process. What is isobaric process? It is a process that carried out at a constant pressure. What will be the value of pressure? Delta P equal to 0. Identify the graph AB. What it is a process? It is an isochoric process. It is a process that carried out at constant volume. That means delta V equal to 0. Identify the graph AE. It is a adiabatic process. Can you heard about the term adiabatic process? What is adiabatic process? There is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding. What will be the value of adiabatic process? dq equal to 0. Identify the graph AD. What is the process behind? It is an isothermal process. What is isothermal process? It is a process that carry out at constant temperature. What will be the value of temperature in the case of isothermal process? Delta T equal to 0. Then you have studied various thermodynamic processes. Next we pass on to cyclic process. What is cyclic process? In cyclic process, a system undergoes a series of changes and return to its original state. Then what is reversible process? Reversible process is a process that carry out slowly, that system and surrounding are always in equilibrium. Can you define irreversible process? The process is carried out so rapidly that the system does not get a chance to attain equilibrium. Students, then we can do an assignment. Assign the process delta U equal to 0. Can you identify the process? It is isothermal process. In isothermal expansion, the temperature of the system remains constant. Thank you, students. Thank you all. In this e-content lesson, we studied state function, path function, various thermodynamic processes.